Hey everyone, this is Abbas coming to you live from the unboxing zone here at Gitex Shopper 2018. Right now we're going to be unboxing the new Fitbit Versa. So the Fitbit Versa is a smartwatch. For anyone who doesn't know, this is from Fitbit that's generally making fitness devices, but they've stepped into the smartwatch category. The Versa is a watch that is their first mainstream smartwatch and competes with the likes of Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we have in here. So you've got a little pin over here. Let's open this up. Nice. I always like it when companies pay attention to packaging and how to get to your device fast, and Fitbit's done that. So that's a jacket outside, lists some of the specifications of the phones and some of its features. Again, just icons detailing what you can do with it. It's waterproof, so you can actually go swimming with it, and just some information about what's included in the box. So let's have a look at the box. Nice packaging. I mean, very premium, very quality finish, as you can see from here. So inside we have the watch itself, which again you can pull up from this little plastic tab. Nice little addition. And below the watch we have literature. So this is again sort of like a very features kind of card, and how to sort of set up the strap, the charger, how to connect your watch, the charger, and all of that. I almost thought that was an Apple Watch over here, so it looks very similar to the Apple Watch, which I guess is a good thing considering Apple Watch is pretty much the standard in the industry. In here we have the USB cable, which is your charging dock as well. Let's go ahead and remove that from here. So it's a decently long cable. You can plug it in your bedside, and this is what sits on your bedside, and the watch is actually going to rest on here. Let's keep that aside. So strap. Now the watch does have a strap, but in case you want a longer one, in case you have bigger wrists, this is the one that you'd want to use. There's also some safety instruction and limited warranty. I don't think anyone ever reads these, but I guess they're required to put these in. So you have that. I'm just going to put this aside and keep that in. Let's move on to the watch itself. So that's it. Let's go ahead and just unwrap this as well. Okay, so not so easy to... There we go, finally. So that's it, that's the watch. It's a bit on the smaller side. If you've got the 38mm Apple Watch, that's the one that this sort of looks kind of like. I've got the Apple Watch 42mm or the 44 for the new one, in case you want to see how it compares as far as the size is concerned. So this is what it looks like, slightly smaller. Again, compares more to the 38mm or 40mm if you're looking at the Apple Watch 4. There's a button over here and a couple of buttons over here. And you've got a silicone strap that's bundled with it. There are tons of straps that Fitbit has available if you want to switch them around, different colors for that. So as you can see, there's a few pins down here. This is where the unit gets its charging from. And these are all the sensors, such as your heart rate sensor and everything else that's on this watch. So that's pretty much it. If you want to move, or if you want to remove the strap, there are these little pins on both the sides. You just kind of push them and then pull the strap out. That will let you change the strap to a different color or different material. There's leather, there's a lot more other ones that are available. And that pretty much is the Fitbit Versa watch. If you have any questions for us, please come down and see us here at Gitex Shopper 2018. This is Abbas signing out for the next unboxing video.